What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk to you about the all new makeup launches. Literally, so many makeup are constantly releasing, and I'm loving them. They are so good. So today we are going to again talk to you. I'm going to just give you a sort of 1 minute review about all the makeup launches. So this video can be a million year long. So the solution is that I'm going to make a lot of parts of it. So this is the first one. So I'm going to not make so many long videos. I don't think so anybody will like it. So do comment down below, do you enjoy long videos or short videos? Personally, I love the videos which are like Shreya Jain style, like 7-8 minutes, not like really long videos. So now we'll do that. So I'm going to make some different parts of it. So this is the part 1. So yeah, let's just quickly dive into the video. Before getting into the video, if you're new to this channel, hi, this is Anshu. So I create content around a lot of affordable makeup recommendation, project planning, shop my stash, whatnot. You will find like so many awesome product recommendations. I sometimes do makeup tutorials as well, and you will find a mix of everything in this channel. So if anything of that sort interests you, please consider liking this video, subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get started. So yeah, today I'm going to talk to you about all the new launches, which are all the new makeup releases that I am so shook. And I was like, I'm buying so much makeup, something will fail. Okay, nothing is a fail. So yeah, I'm going to talk to you about all the makeup that were newly released, and I'm going to give you my 1 minute review about them. So let's get started. And okay, so I'm going to talk to you about this NY Bay strobe cream. Now this stuff is good, you guys. This stuff is good. I'm so impressed. So this is very good. This stuff is good. And a lot of time people are like, this is the MAC strobe cream dupe. I cannot compare it to MAC strobe cream because I don't have it. I don't have the budget to buy MAC right now. So I'm going to just give you my thoughts and compare it to other affordable strobe cream. So if you guys are following me for a while, you must know that I love the Mars Take a Glow primer. It is very good, but this stuff is so the Mars Take a Glow, if I have to compare with this one, the Mars Take a Glow one is also dewy and it has some hydration also. It packs up hydration, so I love it for winters. And the shimmer particles are I would say good, finely milled, and it looks natural. It does not look like specks of glitter or something. So I think it's a very finely milled and a good formulated strobe cream, and I think it's very good. And but this stuff is a little bit better. So this retails for 250 rupees for 12 grams. So this is the difference. So Mars Take a Glow primer is like 250 or 300, I have to check, and it contains 30 grams, but this contains only 12 grams. But I think this much is enough because the glow is intense, you guys, but the shimmers are very finely milled. So I hope I'm making any sense. That's why people are comparing it to the MAC strobe cream. So this is the shade Rose Gold. Of course I have to buy the shade Rose Gold. So yeah, I'm going to quickly just show you. I have done a short video where I have tested out, and I will show you how my skin looks in natural light also. Today I have a different primer, not this one. Now it's, to be honest, it started that humid weather, which is the transition between winters and summer, and my skin is like going through phases. Like it's not that cute right now, so I'm not preferring a strobe cream. I have the Mars God Glow primer. I'm going to review that also, just a minute. So I'm going to review that maybe in different videos. So this is the glow. It's very intense and the shimmers are finely milled, so I think this is very comparable to MAC strobe cream. And yeah, I love it. If you want my review, I will say go grab it. It's very good. It's very good. So yeah, the glow is so real, and like so it just makes your skin look so good, and the glow is intense, so you need a little less. Okay, so that's why I think it's a must buy. It's a very good primer for people who are if you are not you can't afford MAC strobe cream, you can try this. Okay, so next is this Cheek Tint, you guys, and oh my god, this is such a perfect shade. First of all, the shade is so correct, and this is the shade for fair people with yellow undertone, and I think this suits me perfectly. I was applying so many darker shades. Now I think I'm applying correct foundation shades. So yeah, this is the Cheek Tint I have today as well. I'm so obsessed. I want to apply it every day now. So yeah, it's just so good. So this is how the shade, can you guys see? The shade is so apt for my skin tone. It's just so pretty, and this just blends so effortlessly. With finger you can blend this. Okay, so it just meshes into my skin, looks so natural. It's like your skin but better, and I'm obsessed. This stuff is really good. So I will highly recommend you to try all the Blue Heaven new launches. Nothing is amiss. Nothing is amiss. I think everything is worth your penny. Do buy them. They are so good. I will highly recommend you to try this line. And yeah, so on and all, it just stays throughout. Even if you will not set your face today, I have set my face because I'm moving towards that matte situation. Otherwise it looks so chippa nowadays. It's like humid now, so I'm not applying all the dewy products that much. So I'm setting my face with powder. So this is how my face look with powder. I have a clip without powder, and it's very long wearing. I have done the wear test, and throughout the day it lasted, and it just looks so good, so good. Even without powder, it lasted very beautifully. And I think this is a very must buy collection. The whole collection is very good. I just love it. Okay, so next I'm going to talk about this highlighter duo situation. So this is the highlighter and contour duo by Blue Heaven, of course, and this is amazing, amazing. So this is the bronzer, and this is the cream bronzer. I have of course applied a powder bronzer also, but I have done the shots. You can check, and this looks so natural, you guys. So natural it looks. Just looks like my natural tan, and I have always struggled to find that natural kind of bronzer. It just looks like my tan. It's just a dicto match of the tan which I have naturally. I just love it. It just looks so good on my skin, and this just glides so smoothly because this contains mango butter and shea butter and whatnot. So this in this makeup, this contains avocado oil and mango butter. So it's very smooth. The texture is very smooth, and this is very emollient. So you have to set it. Otherwise, this will not last, you guys. I have to be honest. Cheek products will be the first to fly away. So if you want the longevity with cheek products, do set them. So I have the Wet n Wild, my favorite bronzer, of course, topped it off. And yeah, this is how my skin is looking, and this is the bronzer situation I have. It just looks so good. And yeah, so I'm going to give you my honest thought about this. It's very smooth, very like butter, the texture. And so this is very emollient, so this will not stay. If you want the longevity, you have to top it off with a powder bronzer. That's that. Okay, so this is the so I'm going to talk about the highlighter as well. So this is the highlighter. It just looks so natural. To be honest, you guys, this highlighter is for people who are into no makeup almost. So if you will blend it, it will just go, it just will look very natural. So you will blend it and it will look like you are glowing naturally. It's just a very natural highlighter. This is the highlighter I have, and it just looks like the glow which I get when light hits my face. It just matches perfectly. It just looks so amazing. It is very good. I must say this whole line is so impressive. It's such a buttery texture. It just blends into your skin, looks like skin. So it is perfect for no makeup days. Like, yeah, just very good. So I don't have a powder highlighter on top of this. This is the glow that I have with this highlighter. So it's very pretty. Next is this lip and cheek tint. So this is their lip and cheek tint with avocado oil and mango butter. So this is their kiss and blush. So this is their kiss and blush. So this is their blush stick, and I have the shade roasted berry. So let me give you a hand swatch. So this is the shade roasted berry. It is a very true to its name. It's like a roasted berry. So cute. The shade is very pretty. It's like a very pretty pink, and I just love this shade. It just looks so cute on me, and pink blushes looks really cute on me. So the shade is very pretty. I will highly recommend you the shade, the formula. So it's very emollient. Again, all the line have skincare or something. So it's very butter. It's like butter. So you are applying like butter. When you will swatch this, you will feel like you have a butter. So it's very smooth. The texture is smooth, very emollient. And here comes the drawback. Does not have the best longevity, of course. And this is very dewy, like very dewy blush. So without setting this blush with a powder blush, this will not last, you guys. And I shoot all day, and at the evening of the day when I was wrapping, in the middle of shoots, I have to touch it up because there was literally no blush. It just fades away because it's a cream blush, it will fade away. So this does not have the best longevity. So you have to touch up if you have the cream base skin situation. But if you have a powder, I have not tested out in that way that you can touch it up if you have a matte base or not, what not. So that day I have just tested all of these products without that matte situation. So I was able to touch it up again and again because I have the skin tint and the blush. Okay, so in that way, if you will It was not at all patchy, blotchy. I was able to touch up, and this is so dewy. You don't need highlighter with this, you guys. You don't need highlighter with this. So dewy, it just makes your cheeks so juicy and so plumped and so radiant. It just looks so beautiful. So I will highly recommend you this range, and this was 250 rupees, and yeah, it comes 8.5 gram of blush for 250 rupees. Amazing price point. And yeah, ever since I got it, I have used it like quite a number of times. This is of course the new launches, so yeah. So I just love it, and I will apply this in only winters. For summer I think it's too dewy, and I have to either set it with a powder blush or something. I have a powder blush today because I don't think so in humidity that this will all look or chip chipa. So it's good for winters, I must say. But the shade, so yeah, good if you have very dry skin. In winter your skin will look so good if you will apply this blush. It will look really radiant, it will look really beautiful, juicy, plumped. So yeah, very good blush, but I will not use it in summers. So yeah, that's that. Okay, now I'm going to just talk to you uh, about the concealer. So this is the concealer, this is their pen concealer. So this is their full coverage concealer, green tea and goji berry extract, so that's the name. And this is their, it has an enhanced concealer. To be honest, it's not full coverage. I don't know why they market it as a full coverage concealer, because it's very natural. It's very natural. And today I have it, but with the Swiss Beauty one. So I'm going to be very honest, I'm not going to lie. This is very natural coverage. So if you want something for everyday basis, for a natural look, it's good. It's good. I'm not going to lie. And I have the lightest shade vanilla, because these days I already have so many concealer which are like the correct shade. So now I'm looking for that brightening under eyes. So I have I always look for something different. So if I have so many concealer with my correct skin tone, what is the use of it? So this is the lightest shade vanilla, and just gives just a beautiful brightening effect. And I just used my Swiss Beauty one for correction, like correction around my mouth and T-zone and under eyes. But I have this also, so the concoction is looking really good. And yeah, so this is how my skin is looking. It's looking very good. It's just a very good concealer. And this is the first time I have seen concealer with skincare. I don't know what to say about the skincare effect. But as a concealer for no makeup days, natural day, it is worth it. I think it is a good concealer. And yeah, I think it's a must buy. Quantity is only 2 ml, so I'm going to give you my honest thought. Quantity is less. For everyday basis, you will run out of it. Okay, but the packaging I like. So it's a clickable pan. So it's a clickable pan, and this is how on the concealer will came out like this. Packaging is good, quite unique. I don't have a pen concealer. This is very new to me. The brush tip I have, the Mars one is same brush tip, this is same brush tip, Insight one is same brush tip. The brush tip I'm used to with such brush tip, but to be honest, I'm not used to with this clickable pan. So this is the first time I have something in my makeup stash which is like this clickable pan, and it's just so adorable. Yeah, I love it, and I love it. So yeah, the whole rhyme, if I have to say one thing about the Blue Heaven new release, I love it. Just that. So that's that. Okay, so yeah, so this video is getting very long, so I will make definitely 2 parts of it, or maybe 3 parts of it. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a 1 minute, my final thought about what I feel about all the collection, all the new releases, and are they worth trying, the longevity, everything. I have tried these products for like 15 days to 1 month, some 1 month, some are 15 days. So now I have formulated my opinion about that, like what is the longevity, like how they stay, how they fade away throughout the day. So that is all, the traits of a good quality makeup, like how it wears down throughout the day, how good it looks, how natural it looks, or how it looks on the skin. So I have tested out these products for a good amount of time, that I have formulated my final thoughts on these, and new releases. And yeah, so far I'm loving all the new releases. So, and I will highly recommend you to try all these new releases. I think they are a must to buy. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you do like the video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share my videos with the fans and families, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.